Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to compute a fraction with a lot of powers. So this is an excellent exercise to manipulate the law of exponents. So let's get started. So what we are going to do first, when you have a lot of powers like this, is to rewrite the base as a product of prime numbers. Okay, so prime numbers are numbers like 1, 2, 3, okay, 5, 7, okay, etc. Okay, those are the numbers which you can divide only by themselves or by 1. Okay, so let's go. First we have 36 to the power to the exponent 3. So 36 is 6 square. So let's rewrite 36 as 6 square. Okay, so we have 6 square to the exponent 3. Then 27 is 9 times 3, but 9 is 3 square. Okay, so it's 9 times 3, it's 3 to the exponent 3. So we have 3 to the exponent 3 to the 5, and then 16 is 2 to the 4. Okay. So we have 2 to the 4 to the exponent 2. Now let's rewrite the denominator, excuse me. So we have 6 to the 5, this is 2 times 3 to the 5. Then we have 12 to the 6. 12 is 4 times 3, so it's 2 square times 3 to the 6. And then we have 8 to the 4, so 8 is 2 to the exponent 3, so 2 to the exponent 3 to the 4. And here 6 square, we are going to rewrite it as 2 times 3 square. So 2 times 3 square to the exponent 3. Now we are going to use the exponent law that I've written here on the left. So first, here we have 2 times 3 square. So when we have numbers, we have a times b to the c, we can distribute the exponent. So it's a to the c times b to the c. So here we can apply this principle. So we have 2 square times 3 square to the exponent 3. But at the same time, when we have nested exponent, we have, for example, a to the b to the c. We can rewrite it as a to the b multiplied by c. We can multiply exponent as well. So here again, we are going to distribute the exponent 3, okay, on both 2 square and 3 square. So I'm going to rewrite here. So we have 2 square to the 3 multiplied by 3 square to the 3. Okay. So now we have rewritten 2 times 3 square to the exponent 3. But we are going to use another law exponent, an exponent law. It's when we have nested exponent, we have a to the b to the c, we can multiply exponent a to the b multiplied by c. So here we can rewrite 2 squared to the 3 as 2 to the exponent 2 times 3. Okay, and 3 squared to the 3, we can rewrite it as 3 to the exponent 2 times 3. So let's rewrite. So 2 to the 2 times 3 multiplied by 3 to the 2 times 3. And the exponent is, in both cases, 6. I'm going to rewrite here 6. So now I'm going to go faster for the other part of the computation. So here we have 3 to the 3 to the 5. So again, I can rewrite it as 3 to the 3 multiplied by 5. So 3 to the 3 to the 15. And here we have 2 to the 4 times 2, so 2 to the 8. Here on the denominator we have 2 times 2 to the 5 times 3 to the 5, because we can distribute exponents. And here we have 2 to the 2 square to the 6, so it's 2 to the 2 multiplied by 6, so it's 2 to the 12, times 3 to the 6. And at the end we have 2 to the 3 times 4, so 2 to the 12. So I'm going to rewrite here the powers in descending order. So first the power of 3 on the numerator, and we are going to use this particular formula here. Okay, we can add the exponent when we have a to the b times a to the c. It is equal to a to the b plus c. So here we have 3 to the 6 multiplied by 3 to the 15. So it's 3 to the 6 plus 15, 3 to the 21, times, so we can get rid of those factors. And now we have the powers of 2, so we have 2 to the 8 plus 6, so 2 to the 14. On the denominator, we proceed in the same way. So we have 3 to the 5 plus 6, so to the 11, times 2 to the 5. Oh, I forgot. I made a mistake here. It's this one. Okay. So now we have 2 to the 5 plus 12 plus 12. Okay. So it's 2 to the 29. And finally, we are going to use this formula here. A to the B divided by A to the C is A to the B minus C. Okay. When we have a fraction with the same base, we can subtract the exponent. So here we have 3 to the 21 minus 11, so 3 to the 10, multiplied by, and here we have 2 to the 14 minus 29, so it's 2 to the negative 15. Okay, and when we have A to the minus B, it is the same as 1 divided by A to the B. So we can rewrite as 3 to the 10 divided by 2 to the 15. Okay, so that's our answer. 3 to the 10 divided by 2 to the 15. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Rub the like button and subscribe. Goodbye.